A little bit deceptive. Beautiful. Probably. Damn. Beautiful. Okay, yeah, nice.
Yep.
Alright, out and about again. So I'm down at a place called Blackhead. I think it's called Blackhead, which is sort of east of Taree. About to do a big loop ride with a mate out camping, but the first thing I found though is a whale watching tower I've got to check out. I just pulled up here to have a bit of a rest, and the local fella said there's a tower out here to check out the whales. So I'm going to go check it out. So I wait, yeah, brief story of this trip. Just waiting for a mate to come now. He camped last night, sort of around Crowdy Head. And he's working his way down to here. Going to meet up and do a nice big loop ride around the Barrington tops. Alright, that is the plan. Should be good. Now all I've got to do is find this tower. Should be a cool view. And I've seen some whales just as I pulled up, so looks like I found it. Cool. This be it. Up we go. Wow. Whew. Damn. Wow, eh? What a view. That is awesome. So, didn't take long to find a whale. There's a pot of them just over here. I'll try and get them with the other camera, but yeah, wow, eh? That little island down there. Cool, all new. Crazy for me. Love seeing new stuff. Very exciting. All right, I'll have a bit of a look around. What a terrific look at, eh? This is awesome. Bit of a mission building this thing up here. But well worth it. Awesome view. Whales out there. Tried to film them with my other camera, but whether you can see them or not, it's yeah, a fair way out, about 1.5 kilometres. Alright, I'm going to climb down this thing. Make my way back to the bike. See if Steve's there. If Steve's there, we will cruise our way towards Gloucester. Pretty well going to go every fun back road I know. Fuel up, grab a feed at Gloucester, and then yeah, probably camp about 60 k's sort of around the loop I want to do. Alright, that is the plan. Alright, he's all organised, nothing fell off. I had my chair try and fall off on the way. Yeah, I'd put it on at around Barrington there. Anyway, all good.
Oh, fucking kitchen sink with me. I had a miso ramen last night.
Oh, did you?
With grilled chicken put in and boiled eggs and bok choy on top and
I got tin soup. out of here. Just going to cruise. No point rushing any of this stuff. Finally got to the dirt. So we follow this road, Tipperary or whatever it's called. Something like that. Bet you I'm completely wrong. Follow this for, I don't know, 15 k's. I'll end up joining back up to Buckets Way. But it's just a nice run. Beautiful run through here. Bloody beautiful through here. It's a windy old road. Right, left, right, left. Oh, I've gone wide. But look at the country, man. Damn. Wow. Bloody amazing. Definitely worth going this way if you're heading out to Gloucester. I think we're into the forest a bit now. Bloody cool run. About to see a rapid change of scenery. Once you climb up the mountain a bit. Lush rainforest. Oops, slow down. Bloody beautiful again. So we're not too far off rejoining the asphalt again, but just a Bloody good way to go if you're trying to head out to Gloucester from Nabiac. No way I'd ride that tar all the way, not when this is just doing the same thing, getting you there. So if you came out this way from Nabiac, if you go right, literally about 1 kilometre, and then turn left. Yeah, nice, eh? Yeah. Better than doing that. I'll follow you if you want, Gloucester. Yeah, straight to Gloucester. Yeah, as I was saying, like, you come out of that Terry Road or Tar, whatever the hell it's called. Once you come out of there, if you go right for about 1 kilometre and go left, you end up on Bakers Creek Road, which is a really nice way to get back to Bundook. And then from Bundook you go through Tirri, or Tyrai apparently it's called, through Tyrai and into Wingham. Just a great way to head up the coast from Gloucester. Welcome to Gloucester. Pretty iconic little town with its big rock escarpments behind it. Yeah, it's just one of these places, eh? Look at it. It's just massive boulders behind it, or sort of stony mountains. Sort of the gateway to, well, it's the gateway to the Barrington tops. Just run into the shops. Steve's going to grab just a bit of steak or something for tonight. I got my luxurious tin of soup. We'll go from there. Maybe we can get 2 bits of steak, and I can chuck some in my soup because it'll be the only meat in it. Alright, food done. Cruise on out of here. Steve grabbed me a bit of steak, which is good. It's definitely spicing up the old soup I got. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go via Bowman's Road, which is one I haven't done before. Steve reckons it's good fun, so we'll go that way, and we'll go out and have a quick look at this Wacko National Park. Alrighty, Bowman Farm Road. Already better than the old main road. Beautiful. Beautiful river. Oh, Barrington River, I guess. Yeah, wow, eh? Oh, Bowman River. Pretty. I'd say should be bass water. Looks like your typical bass country. Nice. Good detour, Steve. Good choice. Oh, get wet feet. Don't want that. Yeah, bloody glad I went this way. What do we got? Wacko National Park, 14 kilometres. We'll call in there and have a bit of a look around. Beautiful. Yeah, last time I was here, it was nearly a drought. Wasn't much happening. She's running now. Yeah, Steve was saying he's camped here a fair bit. He's done a lot of adventure riding, this fella. And all over the world too. Not just sort of in Australia. Although he's seen plenty of Australia. Woo. Now he's just showing off. I'll be amazed if no one's in here. Look how green the grass is. Damn. That is vivid. Has to be someone in here. Can't not be. There we go. Here's a Saturday. River's flowing lovely. But yeah, definitely a nice campground. Go for a wander. Alright, go check out this water. I haven't got over the grass. It's so green. Crazy green. Beautiful little spot. Whew. Go for a walk. Yeah, access to the water is a bit of a challenge. Anyway, a little bit of colour in the water. Whew. What a cool little spot, eh? Beautiful flat camping ground. It's all you need. Alright, back out of here. We got to cross this river a little bit further down. Hopefully it's not too deep. I guess we'll find out in a minute. Follow Steve through. He's got the skills. Oh yeah, no, it's shallow. A little bit deceptive. Beautiful. Probably slippery, but bloody beautiful. And pretty chilled out cows. Don't seem to be too phased by anyone. And they look well fed. Look at the size of them. Look at the condition on those. Plenty of food here. Pretty. valley. Damn. Amazing scenery. What a run. The cow's got that sorted. This is us. Carter's. It's just been one epic. How cool are those valleys, eh?
Oh, it's in very,
That's
the best condition.
it's amazing, isn't it? Every cow's just a fat.
Yeah, no, they live in the dream, those cows.
Oh, it's amazing country. But look at the place. Mate. Stunning.
I did call in and see the Higginses, and they advised me not to go up there in this, that they'd had 35 mils of rain and there'd be 200 metres of black soil.
Getting up there now. So, getting pretty close to the campsite. It's back in that next valley, I think. So we may be a day short of the wet area. We'll stay overnight and then leave. So, leave the next day. So it may be alright. Don't know. Going to find out. Well, this is the spot. Hoping to camp just over here somewhere. Steve's gone. Hopefully he didn't go too far. He'll come back. Somewhere down here would be bloody nice. Look at that. That'll do it. He'll come back. That will do nicely.
Okay.
So what are we doing? Putting a bit of salt and pepper on the
Bit
steak?
of salt and pepper.
And what are the steaks?
They're porterhouses.
Is this better than tin soup?
I think it's a little bit better than
Okay,
tin
I'm
soup.
just what's that?
You
Is
got
that oil?
A bit of extra virgin olive oil.
Okay,
Australian.
okay, good.
And then we'll flip them over with the Korean or Japanese tongs.
Yeah.
A use I found for them.
Yeah, good. So they're multifunctional.
Multi-purpose.
And this is the begged, borrowed and stolen salt and pepper?
Yep, borrowed that from a lady at the Woker campground. Now we're going to cook this on our little titanium grill.
Okay.
Once that fire, we'll have to clear a little area.
Yeah, I'll pull out some coals for you.
They're going to be bloody nice.
Gee, yeah,
Look at that.
I'm looking.
That's ready to go.
Surprisingly good lighting. That looks good.
Yeah.
How they feel?
Yeah, I would have thought it'd punch through a bit more than that.
So they're pretty... Oh, that's soft there, eh?
Yeah, I think it's probably done. It's got to be. They've been in there for a fair while. All good?
Beautiful. Okay, and nice.
Yep, that'll be good. Give them a bit of a gap between the... Nice!
Beautiful.
Let that go.
Yeah, yeah.
The spuds, how are they going?
I don't know. So, well, you'd normally with spuds, for example, you just put like a skewer for them, right?
Yeah. I can get a skewer.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a fork, hang on.
And just, I guess if they're soft, they're done, eh?
Charcoal.
Gee, this meat's nice. I mean, like nicely cooked. It's just that soft, juicy.
Lovely.
Oh my God. Beautiful.
Yeah, I think those spuds could have been done, maybe a little bit more.
Okay. I'm just going to put them in there and boil them anyway, to a degree. This is going to be some pretty impressive soup.
Yeah, oh yeah.
He's reducing nicely because I've got it boiling its little head off. And I'm going to add some living like bandits, mate. That soup is ridiculously overpowered now.
Yeah. I'm going to keep you going for 24 hours.
Yeah. Now that.
I got the taste.
Look
of
at that
this.
soup. Jesus. There's no plate. There's no point having a plate.
You need a video on that one.
I'm getting there. Oh, it is on.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
That's fucking beautiful.
Isn't it? Awesome.
Really good.
All right, next level. Yeah, wow. But look how healthy they look. It's beautiful country for them. Everything is crazy picture perfect. Yeah, wow, eh?